Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Invite Zira to your Discord with Manage Server and Manage Roles permissions. You need that immediately. Once added, create or confirm the role names you want users to get and set up a clear roles channel. Next, open the dashboard or DM the bot to begin linking your server. This connects Zira to your channel and role list. Make sure Zira's top role is above the assignable roles so it can manage them, and proceed to design your first reaction role message. Start by selecting whether you want single choice, multi-choice, timed, or exclusive reaction roles. Each type changes how members interact. Then map specific emoji to their matching roles, pick unique emoji to avoid collisions, and ensure Zira's role is above those roles so it can assign them. Use the dashboard preview to confirm message content, order, and emoji spacing. Once satisfied, post the reaction message into your designated channel. After posting, test with an alternate account or ask a moderator to verify assignments. To finalize, routinely manage roles and messages from the dashboard. Edit labels, swap emoji, or remove obsolete roles. Changes apply immediately. If assignments fail, first check that Zira's role sits above all managed roles and that the channel permits add reactions and read messages. Also confirm the server hasn't hit role or emoji limits. When problems persist, reproduce the issue with a test account and review Zira's audit logs for permission error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.